Say hello to the newest member of the Trinity Stamps product family. Here is the Trinity Stamps Blending Bar. It's the perfect companion for your blending buddy brushes. The blending bar comes in two different sizes. The large size holds 2 rows of brushes, and the small holds 1 row of brushes. Here's a look at how our brushes are different from others in the crafting community. The Trinity Stamps brushes have a flat bottom and stand up straight all on their own. The blending bar helps to organize and keep the brushes from running around on your craft surface. You can choose from different sets of colored caps. Each one of these caps is embedded with a magnet. You can arrange the color caps in any rainbow order that you choose. If you choose the large bar, you can see here that it holds 12 caps. The small bar holds 6 caps. Inside each one of the caps is a magnet, and it has a self-adhesive strip. Make contact with the adhesive to the color cap. Apply a gentle pressure, and then your brush automatically has a color indicator of what color you tend to dedicate toward that brush. It's nice to have a brush dedicated just for one ink color. You can buy the color caps in different sets. Their options are available here at our Trinity website. This is a great tool for organization. You can see that the brushes have a very good contact with the magnetic bar. However, if you do hold the bar on its side, then they could possibly just slide off. The blending bar is another product brought to you with a collaboration of the amazing team at Twiddler's Nook and Trinity Stamps.